To prepare the seasoning mix for our chicken taquitos, we combine our tomatoes with our fresh herbs, spices, garlic, salt, and pepper. In the mixing bowl, add the chopped tomatoes. Next, add the ground cumin. Add the ground chili pepper. The chili pepper flakes, minced garlic, and a dash of salt and pepper. In a saute pan, over about medium-high heat, add a tablespoon of oil. Now add the diced white onion. Want it to saute until golden brown. Add the green pepper. We want the green pepper to saute until it's nice and tender. We want those flavors to mingle. This will only take a couple minutes. Next, you'll want to add the mixture of tomatoes and seasonings. Mix well with the sauteed onion and green pepper. The tomatoes will quickly start to cook down, and all the flavors will begin to mingle. Finally, add the fresh oregano. Mix it together well with all of the other ingredients. And we want to allow this to simmer over low heat for about 10 minutes.